Hey guys, it's ArcadeCode here, and welcome to my Unity tutorial. So this tutorial is for beginners who want to learn how to program and create games. For the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to assume you had no prior history doing anything with Unity or coding in any language at all. In this tutorial, we're going to be coding in JavaScript and C#. So first of all, you want to download Unity. Unity is easily found on the internet at unity3d.org. .com maybe? Completely forgot. 3d.com. Here you go, unity3d.com. And just go to the download section right here. And click download Unity 4.1.2. Once you downloaded Unity, you can open it and you will have this project wizard open up. You want to select create new project and browse for your project folder. Make sure to create this folder before. I already created one before starting this video. In the import the following section, do not check any of the boxes as we are going to be importing them as we go along. Simply click the create button right here. You should have a window pop up. So this video I'm going to talk about the basic layout of Unity and how to use it. First of all, you have the scene in the middle right here. This is where you have all your different game objects and their position onto the game. An object is anything that is part of the game and that is supposed to be rendered to screen or something similar, like a car, a tree, or even the player itself. This is called object-oriented programming, and most of it is handled by Unity. On the left of the scene, you have the hierarchy. This is where you see all your different game objects currently placed into the scene. On the right, you have the inspector. The inspector holds all the different information of your currently selected game object. For example, you might have the position of it and the rotation. These are all called components. At the bottom of your screen, you have your projects area with your assets folder right here, where you can browse through all your different assets. An asset is a media or part of your game, like scripts, textures, images, sounds, and mesh, which are models. So, just for this video, we're going to create a new game object to show you how to navigate around this 3D view in the center of your screen. To do so, click on the Game Objects tab, Create Other, Plane. This way you should see a plane in the middle of your screen. You might not see it because it might be too small. In that case, you might want to either scale it up on the right inside the inspector or zoom in. To scale your plane up, you want to go in the transform component over here, scale, and type in a bigger number, for example 50. You want to do this for every one of these directions x, y, and z to make sure it is scaled up in the same way, like keep the same shape. So right now I am rotating using the right mouse button. You can pan from left to right using the middle mouse button. And on the top right corner of your screen, you have your gizmo. This allows you to quickly move and choose different angles to look at. On the right of your screen, where the inspector is, you can now see that you have different components, and even an option to add some more. The transform component is your position, rotation, and scale of your object. The plane mesh filter is just there to tell what kind of object it is. The mesh collider is basically there to have collision with other objects, and we will touch upon this later on and talk about it in greater depth. And the mesh renderer basically renders your mesh, your model, to screen, in this case a plane. To enter game view to see how your game looks like at the moment, you can press the play button up here. Right now you cannot see anything. You can pause the game and then resume by re-clicking the pause button, and you can individually move through frames, one frame at a time. So that's all for this video, guys. We just talked about how to use this interface in the Unity game engine. And please like and subscribe if you like this video to see some more. I'll see you guys later for a new video where we will be talking about how to add more game objects and give them more interesting behavior than just to be there.